Assalamualaikum non-Batalay.
Kumusta kayong lahat?
Welcome to our channel, TwoHungry Traveler.
Hello guys, today we have prepared one nice food. It's balatong. Okay, balatong.
Balatong.
Balatong. And
Speak Ilokano sometimes.
bangus, and then citrus we mix with the what the name called? What is this? This one?
Kal-Lamo.
Kal-Lamo. Kal-Lamo.
Kal-Lamo.
See, the fish will be this one. So they put the citrus here. Squeeze like this, and then we will add some. Not too much, a little bit. Enough, right? Okay, this one. And then this is Bangus. Okay? The dog is very hungry. And this is the Balatong.
Be careful because somebody is very hungry.
Balatong. See, you can't focus. Yeah. This is balato. They put some leaves,
Alugbati.
and then alugbati and ginger and okra and some hot dog. And this is sprouts, green sprouts.
No, alugbati.
Alugbati. This is green sprouts. I'm telling. This is the one.
This one still have marunggay.
Marunggay leaf.
And
They put. Okay?
talong.
Talong also they put. I will just put some and then
Take the okra.
taste. Okay. Garlic also they put. And then this one, what is that? This is
Kal-Lamo.
you put the here so that they will see. See, you need to mix with the citrus one.
Or lemon or lime.
Lime. But this citrus is very tasty. In Tamil they used to see the bangus.
Bangus. Our bangus is the national fish.
Bangus. I will take some. First I will take. See the skin.
What did you do the bangus?
They put some ginger, lime, and then soy. Everything they mix and fry. This one. See that one. See. Very tasty. This one. Nice. Mixing the Kal-Lamo.
Kal-Lamo.
I will eat without that one. I will taste the Kal-Lamo, how it is. Salawa is coming out. Both the citrus and then the fishy. That one it's mixed together, it tasty nice. And I will taste this one. See, not too much overcooked, fresh one. Oh, very hot.
Hot. Somebody is he climbing.
See. I'll mix with that one. It is not too much salty. It's very yummy. And then this, the leaf, alubati, I can feel the taste, some different taste. Especially the Kal-Lamo, I like too much. It's very tasty.
You know this one mostly foreigner don't like.
This one very tasty. I like this one.
You put some.
Okay guys, see this one. Again I will put this skin of the fish and then mix with this one. It's very tasty. The fish is also very nice, very fresh. And well guys, I hope everyone liked this video, and thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please like and share and comment. God bless everyone. Bye.